veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to give you guys just a really quick update. That's going to be a short video, but an update on the car, and we've just had a whole lot going on. So behind me over here, you see we got the fuel cell done. In the last video, you guys saw us just starting it. I have a couple of clips here of us as we were finishing it up, but we got it on there, and it's full, it holds, no leaks. We had it coated, so it's got a rough texture black on it. I really like it, a wrinkle finish on there. So that turned out really good. We then got the charge pipe. We got that. We went to black on it, as well as the top hat, and then we have the high temp coating on our exhaust. Now, we also, if you follow our Facebook page, we got the car fired off. Pump it, carburetor problems. As you saw at the end there, we got it up on the two-step for the first time, and it sounds kind of cool, but that was only 7 pounds of boost because someone forgot to take care of some of the CO2 lines and had them backwards. Moving forward, we went through tonight, and I took the valve covers off. We put new valve cover gaskets on. We went to back to a cork style. It's a little bit thicker, but we kept having just some seeping and a little bit of leakage that way, and didn't like that. So reset all of the valves. Also, you can see now there's no fuel cell here. We moved our shock canisters from up here to the back. That's going to be a little bit easier for us to get. It's out of the way over here. I like that. And now we don't have any issues if we were to torch something, you know, poke a hole in here, anything like that, going into the fuel cell that was right here. So that's good. Inside the car, you see we were doing some wiring, and we have the engine diaper has to get on. We were doing wiring because we added a second dump valve. We had a bunch of people ask about the dump valve, going, hey, can you explain it? How do those work? What do you use them for? And absolutely, we're going to explain it. But I'm actually going to do another short video like this, or video specifically on those, because there's two types of dump valves. There's an internal and an external. That's something that I can show you guys there, but I want to do a whole video on it so you can see that. And then next week, that is the week of, or the weekend of the 13th, 14th, and 15th. Al and I are actually headed out to Virginia, the state, to the NHRA national event out there to go do a little bit more mountain motor pro stock racing with our buddy Bill Neary. So we're going to get some videos out there, a little bit different, but some stick shift gear jam and stuff, and go try that again. So if you guys didn't get to see that video, here's a couple of clips. So that was from Brainerd last year, where they came and we got hooked up with Bill. So we're gonna then go help him out some more out there. Other than that, you know, the car is really close. We're gonna scale it this weekend, and you guys have seen that video. If you haven't, here you go. Check it right there. I think that's about it for the quick updates. We're hoping to hit the track for testing with this the weekend of the 20th and 21st. We're going to be at Brainerd International Raceway. They have a bracket weekend. We're going to go do some testing there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this is super fast-paced and very minimal editing on it, but I wanted to give you guys an update, and I haven't been filming a whole bunch of this because we were starting to fall behind, and we knew we were going to be going out of town to help Bill and do everything, and our race season is coming up really fast, and we're going to have probably, I think, 3 or 4 weekends in a row at the racetrack. Whether it's on, you know, the Pro Stock car or this car or anything there. So There's gonna be a lot of racetrack content coming up, and I have to make sure this is ready to get out to there. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Go to the store, pick up a hat or a t-shirt or something. It helps us out a whole bunch, and we super appreciate it. And that's badinfluencegarage.com. And until next time, guys, be safe out there.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling